Refined sheet metal. The aluminum alloy material itself is known for its strength, heat resistance, and fast heat dissipation, which can extend the product's lifespan. The dual air pump operation increases the flow and pressure, reaching up to 19 psi, equivalent to approximately 1.3 liters, compared to similar products on the market with a pressure of 13 到15 psi. It provides a 35% increase in flow and pressure. The cylinder body requires sealing with hot melt glue. An integrated cylinder body, on the other hand, saves on assembly costs and facilitates easy disassembly and maintenance. Furthermore, an integrated cylinder body enhances the product's sealing and durability. Final with the testing to make sure product is working before packing.